Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel. And in this video we'll talk about Volt, or Volt INU, whatever you want to call it. Wanted to do an update on that since I saw this morning, this very depressing morning in the crypto markets, that Volt was actually doing very well. Right now it's kind of out of the top gainers because we have fallen down quite a bit. The majority of our bullish momentum was last night, but it seems a little bit like a pump and dump. Still wanted to do a quick update on that. We did get a bearish breakout with the last candle close, which was about 15 minutes ago. So that's not great news, but we'll still do a full update on that. I mean, in the end, there are some things we need to talk about, and perhaps some things you can use to catch the next pump. Because if there's one thing that Volt INU has done over the last couple of months, is that every once in a while you do have a nice pump which you can earn some money on. Like for example, this pump right here at the beginning of April, we went up about 45%. This pump right here at the beginning of May went up about 54%. And now this pump, well, kind of in the middle of June, we also went up about 38%. And we also had one at the beginning of June. So it seems like at the beginning of the month we're quite bullish, but in this video we'll talk about what happened this time around. So before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description. I have my own profitable trading signal group. Results are all verified and everything is open if you want to check that out. So if you want to become a better trader and actually make some money with us as well, then check out those links. But now onto Volt. So the thing is when I actually dove into the markets a little bit, I mean, what you can see right now is that the volume is pretty steady overall over the last month, around that 20 million mark. But what you can see right now, if you actually dive into the volume a little bit more, is that there's actually a disproportionate amount, I would say, coming from Poloniex. And when I checked out the volume statistics a little bit earlier today, the volume was also very like around a very round number. So what that kind of indicates is that this perhaps was some manipulation. I mean, what you can see right here is that, I mean, moves like these, all of a sudden you get these very bullish moves, and you have like in increments, you have a very short periods of time, you have these great buy orders. It seems like it was manipulated to go up a little bit, and there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of cryptos have that. The thing is that that's not sustainable, and that's also what we're seeing right now. I mean, Volt right now overall, it has dropped down massively. And to be fair, and I know a lot of you are going to hate this, and I'm sorry for it, but it does look like Volt is dying a little bit. From that level we were at around 17th of April, when we were still very, we're still very trending. We were obviously more trending around November last year, but still, we were still pretty high in price there. But ever since, we have dropped down about 77%. Most cryptos have suffered, but not this much. It's just not doing amazing. We already had a lot of burns and stuff. It's only temporary. We had some great listings, but listings are only temporary as well. There's something inherently with the token, with the tokenomics, something that is causing it to drop. So even right now, I mean, we did have a chance to actually get some bullish momentum up to this level right here, around like 6,500. But we should have had some bullish confirmation, and we didn't. Right now we only had a spike and then bearish confirmation by immediately breaking down below this level again, this entire key level, this entire key level, which isn't necessarily the end of the world, because we did find resistance and we did drop down from a major level as well, around 5,000 and the 100 EMA. But then we instantly broke down below the 0.618 fib as well. So overall, we're just dropping back down to our previous support levels right here, around 3,500, and I think it's just a matter of time before we drop down to that 3,000 level as well. And yeah, we'll see from there. I mean, if you're interested in updates on Volt INU, let me know. But for now, this is my take on what's going on and what will happen. So thank you for watching for now. Take care and bye.